In this video lesson, I will show you what is a Pip value calculator for the USD against Japanese yen. I will leave a link below in the description so you can check the Pip value calculator and also the article I have written for you so you can see how this Pip value calculator works and also what are the formula used to calculate the Pip value for the base currency, for the quote currency or any other currency. Below that, you can also check an example how to calculate a pip profits if you have a price change for the certain number of pips. Now let me show you and explain to you what are the fields inside the pip value calculator so you can check and also understand how to use this pip value calculator together with the trading platform. First field here is the number of pips. I have put 1 because I would like to calculate a pip value for 1 pip. Then you can see instrument here, which is set to US dollar against Japanese yen, because that is the currency pair I would like to calculate the pip value. Then you have here the number of units, which is set to 100,000 units, which is equal to 1 lot. So you can also simply change here to 1 lot if you would like to use lots instead number of units. Then you have here a deposit currency, which is set to US dollar, because in my trading platform, a trading account is with a US dollar. So if you have any other currency here set as a deposit currency, you can simply change that inside the drop-down menu, so you can calculate the pip value in the deposit currency. Then you have here USD Japanese yen 1 pip size, which tells you on which decimal point is the pip. In this case, it says it is on the second decimal point. So when you go to the trading platform, you can see that the current market price is with the 3 decimal point, where the third decimal point is the number of pipettes. So if you would like to check also the number of pips, you should check on the second decimal point. And then we have here additional field which says what is the current market price for the currency pair USD Japanese yen. And then when you are ready, simply calculate and you will get the value of 1 pip for the USD against Japanese yen. So it says that the value of 1 pip at the current market price is a 6.87. Now let me show you an example on the trading platform where I will open a new order with the volume set to 1, which is 100,000 units or 1 lot. When you open a new order, you can see here in the column where the profit is, it says -6, which means 0.6 pips. It says that it is 4.12. So if you put here 0.6, you should get the same value, which means this pip value calculator helps you to define what is the number of pips equal to deposit currency, instead checking here in the trading platform or waiting for something. So for example, if you change this trade and I will put here 10 pips for the stop loss and take profit, instead checking like this how much that would be in the deposit currency, you can simply use the pip value calculator and enter, for example, 9.3 pips here, 9.3 pips, click calculate, and you will get how much that would be in your deposit currency, in this case US dollar. So when I go here to the take profit line, you can see it is almost the same value, 63.90. There is a small difference in calculating in the trading platform because of the rounding number compared to this pip value calculator, but you can see it is very small difference and you can use the pip value calculator for this calculation easily. So you understand that you can use this pip value calculator to calculate how much the number of pips will be equal to US dollars. So before opening an order, you can, for example, check how much the 10 pips, for example, would cost you to open the order with a take profit or a stop loss. So if 68.74 is okay for the take profit or the stop loss, you can simply continue and open the order. But if that is too much or too low, you can simply change the number of pips, for example, for the take profit or stop loss, or you can change a lot size. You can increase or decrease just to be in line with your risk management strategy. So this is all regarding the pip value calculator for the USD Japanese yen. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and I will try to answer your question as soon as possible. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!